Yes, so like peacing out. Yes.
I don't want a pillow.
Don't. Ask Johnny to put it behind you.
Look at a swan.
What? Where's the
Crane. It's like swan out here, really? I know, right, Shadow? Where do you want the pillow? But where?
I don't want a pillow.
Okay. I can see you, Daddy. Secrets revealed. Charlie loves being naughty. Stuffing the whole entire thing in her mouth. Close up view. Close up view. Close up. I'm gonna zoom up now. All the way. Zoom up all the way. Yeah, that's so gross.
Oh, look, they caught a fish. They caught a fish.
Oh, they caught a fish over there. That's what my parents said. Yeah, my mom and dad. Got a fish. Cool. Oh, she did. She got a little. Okay. Well, this is the day in the life of our family. Ciao.